Virgo, hi. So நம்ம இப்போ பார்க்க போகிறது we are going to see the love reading. Okay. This is a general reading. It may or may not resonate. If it does not resonate, you can skip it. And but if you book a personal or private reading, I'll be doing it based on your name and date of birth. That definitely resonates with your karma and your position and your situation and what steps you need to take. If you need a guidance, you can book a personal reading with me, and personal readings are chargeable. And my Instagram page and my WhatsApp number is in the description box. You can contact me using that um, info. And right now I'm going to do what is your present situation and what is your immediate future, okay, for the love reading. Let's begin. Virgo. Virgo. Love reading please for Virgo. Love reading please for Virgo. I could say a lot of defense. You're fighting, you're not happy. That's what I'm getting. Just in reverse. Okay, something has totally entered. Your commitment has totally entered. Okay, see, something is totally ended because we don't find anything good in that relationship. See, உங்களுக்கு இது resonate ஆகலாம் ஆகாமையும் வந்து போகலாம். In case உங்களுக்கு resonate ஆகலாம் skip பண்ணுங்க, because some peopleக்கு மட்டும் இது resonate ஆகலாம், because I feel like this is going to be a very specific reading. I feel like you feel like there is no purpose in this relationship. Why is that so? I could see that clearly, because you aren't happy, you're not, you are stuck, and this is going to end. And I feel like it is ending. This commitment is ending here because you are very alone. You are so you need to see, you need to seek answer within yourself. Okay, you need to seek answer within yourself. You are a very strong a girl or boy, okay, because this is not serving you the best. This relationship is not serving you the best. Why is the justice in reverse? Why is the justice in reverse? Why the justice is in reverse? Completely ended. Things have completely ended. There is no proper balance. The person is not giving you a priority, okay? Always defending you, always finding fault in you, okay? You don't see a purpose here, okay? Why the Five of Swords is here? Definitely, for some of the married couples would like to end this relationship. That's very pathetic to do. See, why the Five of Swords is here? Why the Five of Swords is here? Emotional involvement is there, but at the same time, either the person is very concentrating on the money, on the other resources, or dowry, something like that, or very possessive, very aggressive, okay, not giving time to you, something like that. அந்த மாதிரி தான் வந்து இங்க வந்து பார்க்க முடியுது. Why the Four of Cups is here? Present situation. Why the Four of Cups is here? Not being happy. Why the Death card is here? Why the Death card is here? Justice card வந்து ரிவர்ஸில் வந்திருக்கு. See, the Justice card is in reverse. A lot of hurdles, lot of restrictions, lot of boundaries, okay. Restrictions is more in this relationship, guys, so you don't feel a proper purpose in this relationship. Okay, let's see what is the immediate future. Okay, show me the cards which I need to see for Virgo in the immediate future. In the immediate future for Virgo. Immediate future for Virgo. Love reading, please. Okay, you can start a new journey or you can start working, because I could see new financial abundance or new beginning is going to come in the immediate future. I think there is going to be a lot of disagreements, disappointments, fight within this relationship or within the family, but at the end I think you're going to take some decisions which is going to give you a fulfillment of happiness in your life. You are going to be great for what you're going to have in this in the immediate future, because I could see the strong lady sitting here, where she took her decision, or either it can be a masculine, I mean male also, whether it's a boy or girl. So I've taken a firm decision not to, either not to continue this relationship, or you would have jumped into some new relationship or new journey or new job or something because of this problem. You want to come out of this situation, so that you're seeking for some financial abundance in your life. So I can see that clearly here. Let's see why the Five of Wands is here. Why the Five of Wands is here? It's better for you. There is only passion. There is only a trap in the immediate future. It's a warning for you from the cards. In the immediate future, you will be facing little difficulties. Why the Ace of Pentacles is here? But at the same time, you can start something new. Either new journey, new beginning is on the way. Either you could be traveling somewhere. Okay, you're going to take some risk, some new journey in your life, for sure you're going to take, because I'm getting a very positive cards. You're going to take some firm decision in your life. This is it for you, Virgo. All the best.